philosophy is about streamlining design and building processes to make them more efficient and effective. Lean Production 2.0 with ETAM. Design, construction and modification made easier than ever. ETAM takes lean production to a new level.
Der Lean-Gedanke spiegelt sich im D30.
The lean concept is embodied in the D30 fastener, the only fastener you need for all standard intersection types.
Und wenn man
If you want to modify a joint, you can either remove a strut or slide one quickly to the side, retaining an excellent load-carrying capacity.
sehr hohe Belastbarkeit. Kaizen
Kaizen and CIP are about the entire workforce, making changes for the better on a daily basis. Personnel have to be able to change things at their workbench easily. There are many systems on the market that can be assembled quickly, but ETAM wants more. Not just a high-quality, cost-effective system that can be put together rapidly, but one that reflects the CIP philosophy. Using line D30 from ETAM, personnel can modify their workbenches from day to day to suit changing requirements, and they only need one tool.
Die Idee dieser Lean Factory ist, dass wir halt die Studierenden sukzessive mit
The idea of this Lean Factory is to use lean methods to show students that large production areas can be transformed into small, efficient cells.
Was hilft mir dabei ein solches Rohrsystem wie das D30?
How can a tube system like D30 help me? Well, it can be put together extremely quickly. We looked at a lot of these tube systems, and what we really liked about D30 is that it follows lean principles closely.
Haben, die eigentlich dem Lean-Gedanken schon sehr gut folgt. Die Wertschöpfung ist eigentlich nur das letzte.
The value creation side is just the icing on the cake. Take these elements. They're designed so that you simply insert the tube here and give it a half turn to tighten it relatively quickly. With a continuous stream of improvements, ETAM has repeatedly launched new innovations onto the market since the product was first introduced, all for the benefit of our customers.
Es geht Prozesse verbessern.
We want to improve processes. Take a FIFO rack, where crates are running too fast, for example. You can simply adjust the gradient to slow them down. It's easy, you don't need any help, and you certainly don't need an engineer. It's a very simple and very fast process. If you want to move the rack, you simply loosen it and move it to where you want it. That's particularly important when more than one person is using a workbench. Everyone wants an ergonomic workplace tailored to their specific needs.
Wir hatten eine kurze Einweisung.
We had a short, hour-long briefing, and then the students were able to build designs independently. The versatility and speed of the system resulted in optimum engineering.
Überhaupt wettbewerbsfähig
To stay competitive, you need to eliminate waste. If you're lean enough, you can stand up to the rest of the world and achieve incredible success. We've certainly boosted competitiveness here. We see it at all the fairs, where we show people a fastener, then give them some, stand back and watch them build real structures. It never fails to amaze me.